Hello friends, good to see you again. I hope you guys are fine. And today I'm going to share how can you save as PDF in Office 2007. Okay, Office 2007 hasn't a feature that to save a document in the PDF format, right? You can find here the PDF to save your Word document. And how can you save your Office 2007 to the PDF? Okay, I'm going to share a trick that if you can save PDF from the Office 2007, right? First, open the Chrome browser or one browser. Then after, you have to type there save as PDF Office 2007 and hit enter and scroll down, and you can find out here 2000 Microsoft Office add-in save as PDF or XPS. Just click this link, and after you have to download this. Now here is download now. Just click the download and close this app. And again click here. It has been downloaded. Just go to download, right click and run as administrator and click as for the permission. Then after, check this box and click continue to install this add-in feature. The installation is complete. Now click OK. Now let's go to the Word document and go to the File tab and go to Save As. Yes, we are success. Now we can find out here the Save As feature in Office 2007 as PDF, right guys? Now just click that PDF and desktop. And here rename this and publish. Hence you can use save as PDF feature in your Office 2007 if you have the older type of Office 2007. Okay friends, if this video helped you to save as PDF in your old type of Word document, then please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment my channel. Okay friend, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Join the ride, Photoshop Pro.